Served with salad and pita, falafel is a quick and easy meat-free meal. How does a homemade recipe for these spiced chickpea patties stack up against a bought mix? Bought Lisa's Mediterranean falafel mix with Italian parsley, garlic and lemon ingredients: chickpeas, split green peas, water, wheat flour, onion flakes, coriander, Italian parsley, garlic, sea salt, spices, lemon juice concentrate, food acid, ascorbic, preservative, 202. Chili versus homemade healthy food guide. Baked falafels, without tahini yogurt or tomato salad. Ingredients: chickpeas, onion, egg white, parsley, lemon juice, garlic, fresh coriander, ground cumin, ground coriander, baking powder. Nutrition information per serve: 4 by 30 grams balls. In our analysis we assume that Lisa's falafels have been baked, not fried in oil. Falafels are a high protein, high fiber, meat-free snack or meal-based option. Both the Lisa's Mediterranean falafel mix and the Healthy Food Guide baked falafels contain similar amounts of fat and fiber. Lisa's is higher in carbs and a little higher in protein, so is higher kilojoule too. But be aware of the amount of sodium in the Lisa's Mediterranean falafel mix. 430 grams falafel balls made from the Lisa's mix contain 564 milligrams sodium, a quarter of the upper daily recommended intake of sodium. That's not excessive, depending on what you're eating them with. But if you have falafels frequently, and need to reduce your sodium intake, consider making your own. The Healthy Food Guide baked falafels contain only 152 milligrams sodium per serve. Related posts: bought versus homemade, garlic hummus bought versus homemade, stir-fry sauce bought versus homemade, tomato sauce bought versus homemade.